be monitored or recorded for quality purposes. Hello, this is Connie. What may I order for you?
Hello?
Hello, my name is Connie. What may I order for you?
Connie, I'm looking at the Snake Driver Flex Pro 2-pack flexible screwdriver.
For $14.95?
That's the one.
And how many sets would you like?
Well, I had a couple questions. How many different, adapters are on that sucker?
Probably have to give you that information. One moment, please. Hey, I'm showing that you get the 2 screwdriver handles with flexible extensions, 6 Phillips screwdriver bits, 4 slotted screwdriver bits, 6 star screwdriver bits, and 6 hex bits.
Okay.
And 2 drive socket adapters.
Okay. Well, that's nice, because then you're not, up and down the ladder with your different tools. I mean, it's nice because you're not up the ladder then coming down to get different tools. I mean, it's a nice feature. How much was that product?
$14.95. And would you like me to order those for you?
What are they made out of? What are those,
I apologize. It does not say what it's made out of, and let me verify your number. I have 309-256-8956.
No, it's 309-256-8166.
8166?
8167.
Okay, 8167. Okay, I do apologize. That wasn't what was on my caller ID, and I do apologize. It's not showing me what it's made out of.
Oh. Okay,
Did you want to order those today?
Is that a magnet on the tip of it? It picks up the screw, it's magnetized or something?
Yes, that is correct.
Huh. So if I drop something in a really weird place, I could go get it with the snake tip.
Would you like me to order that for you today?
I just had a couple more questions. How long is that shaft?
You want the measurement?
Yeah, the Flex shaft. The Flex Pro.
I only have the measurement of the entire thing, and it's 8 1/8 of an inch long and 1 1/2 of an inch in diameter. And would you like me to order those for you today?
How much do they weigh? I got a bad case of arthritis in my left hand.
8 ounces each. Would
8
you like me to
ounces.
order those for you?
Oh, you're rushing me a little bit.
They're selling faster. I didn't want you to miss out on them.
How many are left?
I'm showing we're almost sold out. Would you like to get those while we still have them available?
Oh, golly. How much were they again?
$14.95.
You know what? I'm gonna pass.
Yes, sir. Well, if you find anything else you'd like to order, please give us a call back. And thanks for shopping with us, and I hope you have a great day.
Hey, thanks, Connie. You too.